Hi everyone, my name is Dixon Roger Marklen, a student from Indonesia majoring in advertising at Xiamen University, Malaysia. Currently, I'm undergoing an internship journey as a marketing multimedia designer at REDtone. The main reason why I chose REDtone as a place for me to hone my personal and also my professional skills is because I have a very pleasant interview session with Miss Hawa, the HR, and also my supervisor, Miss Susan, in which her father convinced me to reject other offers and go for REDtone. During the internship, I'm responsible for creating all the visual artworks, including poster, video production, animation, logo creation, social media design, flyer, brochure, and so on. Nevertheless, REDtone also become a place for me to grow my skills as they allow me to involve in the various projects in order for me to understand the world of professional and also corporate life. In terms of carrying out my tasks, they are not limiting my skills, my imagination, and also my creativity, but they always allow me to create something new which is different with their common design style. Overall, I can say that I have no regret in joining REDtone, as their company core values, flexibility, have been truly implemented and executed in their daily operations, in which they always give the employees a room to grow, a room to innovate, and also motivate their employee to learn new things and try something new. I would like to thank REDtone and also my fellow marketing members that teach me a lot and also provide me this memorable and also amazing journey. See you when I see you. Bye bye.